Hey everyone, welcome to the SS Academy. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about HTML tags. So HTML is a language that is used to define layouts for web pages. We can define those layouts using things called tags. And in this video, we're going to learn what are tags. Tags will tell my browser how I want my web page to look or what content I want to have on my website. In order to create real HTML file, we're going to create basic skeleton of HTML tag. You can see here I create actually a basic tag. By the way, it's not true tag. I just wrote this for explaining. Okay, you can see here I have less than sign and the greater than sign. And between these signs, I wrote tag stars here. It's because when you create a tag in the HTML, you should write this tag 2 times. There will be just one difference between starting tag and the ending tag, and that is /. You can see here. Okay, when you write the / and when you write the same tag name here, it will be your first tag. And between these tags, you're gonna write your information. For example, you're gonna write hello world. Okay, so let's see our first tag. I'm gonna create our first tag, and that tag is the less than sign, HTML, and the greater than sign. Okay, you can see this is my starting tag, and we should create here the ending tag. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say the less than sign and the /, and I'm gonna say HTML again, and I'm gonna just close this. You can see here when I write like this, it is the HTML tag. Okay, that tag is called the HTML, and this is the starting point and this is ending point. Okay, but before we continue, I want to show you one more thing. We said this index.html is my HTML file. Okay, for telling to your web browser it is complete or it is exact HTML tag, you should come here, you should say less than sign, exclamation point, and you should say doctype. Okay, and when you write here the doc type, and you will write the HTML, and you will just close this. Okay, if you write like this, basically you will tell to your web browser this is my default or this is my exact HTML tag, HTML file. Okay guys, I create my HTML tags here, you can see, and now I want to create my container tags between these HTML tags. First of all, I have the head tag. For creating head tag, I'm gonna just click less than sign head, okay, and I'm gonna just close this. Or, sorry guys, made a mistake here. Okay, I'm gonna just close this. Or we have other option. I can come here, I can say head, and I can click enter. If you click enter, you will see your atom by default and automatically create your head tag. Okay, you can see this is my beginning point and this is my ending point. It's because every tag in the HTML should start and should end, or we can say should open and it should close like this. Okay, and you can see here between these tags there's only one difference, and that is this /. Okay, I can say that you're gonna create your tag, and for ending your tag you're gonna write just / and the same tag name here. You can see like this. Okay guys, let me talk to you about what is this head tag used. The head tag is used to store metadata of our web page. Okay, for example, in this head tag we're gonna write our title for our web page, or we're gonna write the default character set, or etc, etc. So I can say that if you have a metadata, you will store this in the head tag. Okay, let's just write one title or one metadata inside this head tag. I'm gonna write the less than sign and I'm gonna say the title. Okay, if I click enter, you can see here by default, let's just close this, let's just remove this from here. You can see my atom by default create a title and give a name to my title. Okay, but I will not use this as a home. I want to say this SS and the Academy. Okay, my title of web page is SS Academy. Okay, and I wrote this between these head tags because head tags is used to store metadata for our web page. Okay, and we will have one more tag, and that is body tag. And I can say that this body tag will bigger, completely bigger than head tag. Because we said in the head tag we will have the metadata, but in the body we will have all our information. Okay, we will have all our things, all our stuff, and etc. etc. Okay, I'm gonna just create here body tag, and I want to say less than sign body and the greater than sign. And I'm gonna just write here less than sign / and the body again, and I'm gonna just close this. Okay, you can see it. This is my body tag. Let's just write here the indentation. Okay. So guys, as you see here, I create the skeleton of my HTML, or I can say that I created skeleton of my web page using HTML tags. And I want to just come here inside this body. I want to just write here hello world, and I want to just write I'm here. Okay, let's go to the my atom, and I'm gonna say show in Explorer. Okay, I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna go to the my atom, and I'm gonna just right click. I'm gonna say open with Microsoft Edge.